The belt connects the engine to your lawnmower's transmission. Over time, the belt will stretch and wear. Eventually, it will no longer make enough contact with the pulleys, and they will begin to slip. In some cases, the belt will break if it is worn too much. Replacing the belt is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade from the lawnmower. To do that, I'll tip the lawnmower up and I'm supporting it by sliding the handle underneath a workbench. That'll keep the lawnmower in place. The blade is secured with one bolt, and I'll go ahead and remove it. Now remove the blade adapter. It slides off the motor shaft, and I'll rotate it to remove the belt. Now I'll lower the mower back down and remove the belt cover. Next, I'll remove the belt guard from the transmission. It's held in place with 2 screws. With the screws removed, I can pull the guard away from the transmission and pulley. And now I can remove the belt. Now install the new belt. Thread it through the opening back by the engine and place it around the transmission pulley. I'll hold the belt in place as I reinstall the belt guard. And I'll secure the belt guard with the screws. I'll reinstall the belt cover. Now I'll tip the mower back up to finish reinstalling the belt. I'll place the belt back around the engine shaft. Now I can reinstall the blade adapter. There's a key inside the adapter. I align the key with the keyway on the motor shaft. I'll work the belt onto the pulley then slide the adapter all the way up the shaft. Now reinstall the blade. As I install the blade, I want to make sure that the bevel on the cutting edge is facing up towards the bottom of the deck. I align the blade with the adapter and then secure it with the bolt. And that's all it takes to install a new V-belt on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.